Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video here. So today we're going to visit Portia M offices here in Centurion, Gauteng to show you what is happening. And guess what? They're actually moving to bigger premises because the business keeps growing.
Hi everyone, my name is Portia M. I'm Managing Director of Portia M Skin Solutions, the fastest growing skincare brand in Africa. As you know, Portia M is a multi-award winning brand. This is some of the awards. One of my favorite ones is the All Africa Business Leaders Awards, where I won the All Africa Industrialist of the Year in 2022-2023. We also won the Gauteng Province, the Entrepreneur of the Year, Top Entrepreneur in the processing sector, and we won the overall entrepreneur competition for women at the Gauteng Province Department of Rural Development and Agriculture. Wow, guess what? We also won an Annual Supplier of the Year at Clicks. This was big for us. I mean, this means we beat all the multinational brands in skincare. Not only that, we won the Supplier of the Year award at Pick n Pay. Pick n Pay for us is like a home. This is where Portia M started. Our first listing was with Pick n Pay. And even today, when we go to Pick n Pay and you ask who Portia M is, we still occupy their top shelves in their stores. So this is the Portia M boardroom. This is where all the important decisions are made, where we meet up with our teams and plan the day and strategize for the whole year and which more products we can produce together. This is our line of products. We also have baby wipes named after my daughter. You know, when one started Portia M, I was literally manufacturing from a 2-plate stove and a hot pot. You know, the hot that South Africans cook pap in. That's what I used to mix my products in. Let's go and see that. As they say, the word says all things are possible, and therefore Portia M is possible. This is how Portia M started. This is the 2-plate stove that I used to mix my products and melt my solvents to make the product that you see today. It wasn't easy, but it was definitely worth it. And I'm so happy that 13 years later, I'm able to hold the same 2-plate stove. And today we have a big manufacturing facility, 1,500 square meters and a 6,000 square meter facility because of a 2-plate stove. This is our mixing facility where all the products are mixed. So each product has a dedicated tank. And after each product is mixed, all the tanks have to be cleaned. We make sure that our hygiene assistants are just close by to make sure that the product is high quality. So we've got different filling lines. This is one of the lines. So each product is scheduled as per our production schedule. Each of the employees or each of the teams are given targets. And they have to make sure that they make up those targets and hit them so that our consumers can have access to our products at the stores. Currently, we employ about 185 South Africans in our facility, mostly being young people because we are very passionate about empowering young people. Hi guys. Not anything. So these ladies are busy labeling our products. Some of our products, they come labeled from our suppliers, but most of the packaging we label in-house, and that is part of job creation as well. We are hoping to automate in the near future because of the high demand of our products. We are currently trying to penetrate the rest of Africa because our vision is to become the house of cosmetics for Africa. Okay, so this is our line, our conveyor. This is the line of products that are finished. They are ready for packaging. That is our famous marula oil, our #1 selling product. All our products are packaged in a quantity of 6. This is how the retail stores receive them. and then they'll be ready to be placed on the shelf. The amazing marula oil, not only did it create our first line of products, we have now also created a bar soap, a glycerin pure bar soap using the amazing marula oil. This is especially formulated for those customers whom watery cleansers don't work for. As we know, people have different skin types, and this one is mild enough to be used by everyone. You can even use it on a baby skin. We've also made it in the pomegranate flavor for our Team Red customers. So this is the presser that puts the branding on our product, and this is how the final product looks like with the logo. You can go ahead and show us how the presser works. Voila. This is our pomegranate range, one of our premium products. So we've got a line of face washes, day creams for different skin types, and body lotions in this range. This is our premium range. As you know, the benefits of the pomegranate, the anti-aging benefits in pomegranate, we try and utilize that as much as possible, and our customers are really loving this range. And these are ready to go and be dispatched. As a brand, we are very passionate about quality. Hence, we follow a quality management system in producing our products and also in running our production processes. We have our quality control lab where all the products are tested for quality control. And we also have a micro laboratory lab where we check all the macros on our products and try to make sure that whatever product we produce to the public is up to standard. So let's check out our quality control lab. As you know, for every product that we produce, we have to have a retention sample. So all our retention samples are saved in here so that we can go back in future. If ever there's a problem, we can go back and check what the problem was on a particular batch. Like I said, we follow the ISO 9001 standard. We are certified in that as well. And we also certified in GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice. Quality for us is the product itself. And as a brand, we believe that we want to give our customers the best quality at an affordable price. Africa also needs classy products, high quality products at a very affordable price. This is not the only Portia M factory that you see. We have grown in leaps and bounds from making a product with a 2-plate stove to this facility. Now we've grown so much to a bigger facility. Hi, welcome to the Portia M new home. These are our new facilities based in Centurion. Come with me. Hi, Bonnie. How are you? Okay, welcome to our reception area. As I said before, that's our king product, the marula skin oil, the product that started it all. It does deserve a wall of fame. This is our reception. These are a number of our products on display. And by the way, did I mention that we also have a makeup range? This is part of the Portia M signature collection. We've got a number of lip glosses, eyeliners, eyeshadows. This is one of my favorite gift sets. We have a mascara. We've got eyeshadows and brushes and a primer. And all these products and gift sets, you can find them at Clicks stores nationwide and Portia M beauty stores. Yeah, so these are our corporate offices. This happens to be my office, the MD's office. But let's just walk around and greet. This is Roxanne, our marketing manager. This is the customer service office. This is where all the responses are coming from on social media. We are a brand that prides ourselves in our customer interaction. Our customer is everything to us. We innovate, we exist for the customer. So it's very imperative for us to continuously communicate with our customer. This is the department that takes care of it. Okay, we also have our graphics design department. So as much as I said, we are very passionate about creating jobs. We made sure that most of the things are controlled in-house. I personally am very passionate about marketing. You can create a good product, you can have a great service, but if you don't know how to market it well, it can't make it. So we've made sure that all those key departments are here. We've got marketing, we've got customer service, we've got graphics, and we have our own Portia M studios. So we take our own content. The studio guys are out, but we are here. As you can see, this is the equipment. We've invested in top of the range equipment to give our customers that proper content and to represent our products well on social media and on the billboard. This is where we will do most of our trainings and meet our amazing customers and suppliers, and also make very important decisions. Hi, Anderson. Okay, this is our new warehouse facility. We are still setting it up. This is where we store the finished goods. As you can see, we never really keep stock. We try to keep stock, but our stock never stays. We always try to build it up. Last week, all these were filled with stock, but because of the demand of our products, all those products are gone. So we have to do production again. And again, as you can see, the most popular, it keeps coming up, the marula skin oil. Hi guys, hi. Yeah, this is part of our packaging. We've just moved some of our lines here. This is finished goods ready for dispatch, to be dispatched through our truck. That's Anderson. He's one of the team leaders. So basically, this is the future of Portia M. We have a mixing area there. We're still busy fitting our equipment. We've got labs on this side and cold rooms for all our sensitive ingredients. So this is how the future of Portia M looks like. We are hoping you'll visit us again. And this is a 6,000 square meter factory. Hopefully we will be in a 20,000 square meter factory when you come back. So this is my office. So this is where I do most of my work. Love drinking tea from time to time. And well, I'm a woman of faith, so my Bible is always on my desk. And this bird, I wanted it to be an eagle. However, I could only find a bird because I honestly believe that I'm an eagle. Whatever storms come, I always try and fly above them.